This is Miss Vastavikta from Sunbeam Convent School. So today we are going to read nutrition in human beings. Class 7, this is your another topic, nutrition in human beings. That means how human beings take in food and obtain nutrition from them. So as we have read earlier that nutrition is combines of 5 steps: ingestion, digestion, assimilation, absorption, assimilation and egestion. So in human being the first step is ingestion. So how human beings take in food? They take in food from mouth with the help of hands. So the first step, ingestion, gets completed. After that, same. The whole this from here to here. So this is called alimentary canal. That means organs that together constitute the digestive system. Here you can see this figure is of digestive system in human beings. This is mouth, this is food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, liver, appendix. These are the various organs of a digestive system. So these organs together constitute digestive system, or this is also known as alimentary canal. Alimentary canal begins from mouth and ends at anus. So this alimentary canal begins from here, mouth, and it ends in anus. So the several organs in alimentary canal are esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum. Digestive system also contains glands, and these glands are known as digestive glands. These glands help in digestion. For example, salivary gland, they secrete saliva and helps in the conversion of starch into sugar. Liver, it secretes bile juice. Pancreas also secretes digestive enzymes. So these are known as digestive glands. So the nutrition in human beings starts from mouth. That means the process of ingestion takes place through mouth, and digestion of food starts in mouth itself. When we start chewing the food, the digestion starts in mouth. There are two types of digestion that occurs in mouth. That is physical digestion. That means the food, the big pieces are broken down into smaller pieces which mix with saliva secreted by salivary gland. This process is called mastication. That means chewing the food, converting the food into smaller pieces, and when these smaller pieces get mixed with saliva, this process is known as mastication. 3 pairs of salivary gland are found in mouth that produce saliva. The work of saliva is to moisten the food so that it can be swallowed easily. If the food is not moistened properly, then we may have difficulties in swallowing. So, for making it easy to be swallowed, it is necessary that the food must be moistened, and this work is done by saliva. In addition to moistening the food, the saliva also breaks down starch into simple sugar. That is why when we chew chapati, it begins to taste sweet after a while, because salivary amylase in the mouth act upon the starch present in the chapati and breaks it into simple sugar, and this is why it starts tasting sweet after some time. So the mastication, the work of mastication is done by teeth. The teeth are the primary organs that help us to cut, tear and grind the food before it is swallowed. There are different types of teeth that perform different functions, that are incisor, canine, premolar and molar. So incisor are shell-shaped teeth found in the front of the mouth. These are mainly used for biting and cutting. Here you can see these are incisors. They are chisel-shaped teeth They are found in front of the mouth. They are mainly used for biting and cutting. After that, canine. They are very sharp edged teeth. They help in tearing pieces of food. These are canines. They are very sharp. They help in tearing food, the rubbery food or the flesh. They help in tearing. That premolars. Premolars. They are found at the back of the mouth here, and they are used to crush and grind the food. They are broad and have flat surfaces. Then the flat surfaces enable to crush and grind the food. And like premolars, here molars also are used to crush and grind the food. They are shaped much like molars but have a wide grinding surface area than premolars. That means they have very wide grinding surface area, much more than premolars also. Teeth in human beings. In total lifespan, human beings bear two sets of teeth. They are primary set of teeth and permanent set of teeth. Children around the age of 5 have 20 teeth, which are known as baby teeth, milk teeth or primary teeth. 10 of them in each jaw, 10 in upper jaw and 10 in lower jaw. This set consists of three kinds of teeth: incisor, canine and molars. Each jaw has 4 incisors, 2 canine and 4 molars. These are about primary set of teeth. That means milk teeth. In milk teeth there are only 20 teeth, 10 in each jaw, and this set consists of three kinds of teeth only, that they are incisor, canine and molar. Premolars are absent. Each jaw has 4 incisors, 2 canine and 4 molars. The incisor and canine are used to bite the food and the molars are used to grind food. These teeth fall off as the children turn 6 years old and are replaced by permanent teeth. From the age of 6, the teeth start falling off and they are replaced by permanent set of teeth. In permanent set of teeth, there are 32 teeth, 16 in each jaw. They are larger than primary teeth and consist of 4 kinds of teeth. These 4 kinds of teeth are incisor, canine, premolar and molar. Each jaw has 4 incisors, 2 canine, 4 premolar and 6 molar. So these teeth are covered by white substance called enamel. Enamel is the hardest material in human body. This is the hardest substance found in body, this enamel layer. This enamel layer, the teeth are covered by this white substance called enamel. So this is about teeth. Let us recap it. So we were studying nutrition in human beings. This is digestive system. Alimentary canal starts from mouth and ends in anus. The chief organs, the organs of alimentary canal are esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, and it ends in anus. Some digestive glands are also present, which secrete digestive enzymes such as salivary gland, liver and pancreas. The first step of nutrition is ingestion. The process of ingestion, human beings take in food with the help of hand in the mouth. In mouth, what happens with the food is that mastication takes place. That means the big pieces of food are converted into small pieces and it gets mixed with saliva. There are 2 works of saliva. The first is to moisten the food so that it can be swallowed easily, and the second is to break starch into simple sugar. So the different type of teeth are incisor, canine, premolar and molar. So in total lifespan, human beings bear two sets of teeth. The first set of teeth is known as primary and the another one is permanent set of teeth. Primary set of teeth are found in children around the age of 5. In primary set of teeth, there are only 20 teeth, which are also known as baby teeth, milk teeth or primary teeth. 10 are present in each jaw, 4 incisor, 2 canine and 4 molars. Premolars are not present there. In permanent set, there are 32 teeth, 16 in each jaw, and all the 4 kind of teeth such as incisor, canine, premolar and molars are present. Each jaw has 4 incisor, 2 canine, 4 premolar and 6 molars. Now the teeth is covered by white substance, hardest material, enamel. It protects the teeth. Now here is an interesting activity for you. The activity asks you to take a piece of chapati and chew it for some time. Then you will notice that as the chapati turns into paste, it begins to taste sweet. Why? Because of the saliva. This saliva combines with chapati and the starch present in chapati gets converted into sugar by the action of saliva. So about saliva, even before you eat, when you smell, see or think about tasty food, digestion begins. Saliva begins to form in your mouth. Your digestive system starts working even before you take the first bite. That means your mouth starts preparing that now the food will enter into mouth and the work will be done. So digestive system starts working even before you take the first bite.